Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your SQL database for SOLIDWORKS PDM. This is video 1 of a 3-part series. First thing you need to do is open up your SQL Server Management Studio, then select your server type as Database Engine. Make sure your server name and instance name is correct. In this case mine is PAD, which is my computer name, / SWPDM, which is my SQL instance name. Then you'll need to provide authentication. So I'm going to type in my login username and password and click connect. Once it's open, you can expand the databases node. Then right click on the database you'd like to back up, go to tasks and select backup. This will open up the backup database tool. We are going to create a full backup. So make sure your database here still says the correct name. Backup type will be full. Then here at the bottom we'll say backup to disk. Remove the default file location if you want to back up to a custom location. Then click add. So I'm going to browse to a folder on my C drive called PO Backups. And inside here I'm going to give it a file name. So I'm going to give it the same name as my database, Acme. And then you must type in the file extension as well. So I'm going to type .bak. This is the file extension for a backup file from the SQL database. Then click OK. Click OK again. Then select media options and make sure that you select verify backup when finished, to make sure that your backup can actually be reused to restore database. Then you can click OK. You'll see the backup of the database Acme has completed successfully. Once your database backup is complete for your vault, you also need to back up the Kinesia master database. So we'll follow the same procedure. Right click, select tasks, backup. Once again, we're going to do a full backup type. We're going to back up to the disk. We're going to remove the default file location and add our own. So I'm going to browse to the folder where I'd like to place it. And then I'm going to give it a file name, Kinesia, and the proper file extension, .bak. And we'll select OK. OK. And then under media options, I'm once again going to select verify backup when finished and click OK. This backup is now complete. You have now successfully backed up all your SQL databases. Thank you for watching.